Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Natasha Denona Chromium liquid eyeshadows. This is the one we'll be playing with. This is the ultraviolet. Hopefully you can kind of see the shift. I also got the, which one's this one? Dragonfly. And I'll show you what it looks like, but we're going to have to use this another day. That's what it looks like. Really pretty. The scarab's really pretty too. I wanted to try these before I bought any more, but that's what we're doing today. We're going to try these out and see what we think about them, see what kind of look we can come up with, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me throw my hair up real quick. And take off my glasses. I already did my eyebrows. I used the Milani Precision Brow in shade medium brown. That's what it looks like. Really been enjoying this. It's just the small rounded tip. And I'm going to go into the Tiny Marvels palette first. So first I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Death Moth and put that in my crease. And I'm using the BK Beauty 202 brush, just the fluffy tapered brush. I may put a little bit of Milani eye primer on first actually. Alright, now we're going to go into Death Moth with BK Beauty 202. I'm going to take a little bit of Spider right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner with the BK Beauty 207. It's just a rounded pencil brush. I'm just going to place a little bit of that in my outer corner just to give a little bit of dimension to the look. Alright, now we're going to go into the Natasha Denona Chromium Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that on my inner part of my lid. Taking a cotton round, some micellar water, just going to clean up the edges that I had. Now I'm going to put on a little bit of Revlon Photo Ready Pore Reducing Primer. I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way matte 24-hour undetectable super longwear foundation in vanilla. And I'm going to dot that on my face real quick. Taking the Sigma Multitasker F47 and I'm going to blend that out. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Pearl. And I'm going to dot that on my eyes. I'm blending that out with my concealer brush. Taking the number 7 Lift Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light. And I'm going to use that to powder my under eyes. Taking the Ofra and Samantha March Bronzer Duo River. I'm just going to swirl my brush in there and bronze up my face. Now I'm going under my chin, down my neck. Now I'm taking the Samantha March Ofra Blush Duo in Chiclet. And I'm going to put some color on my cheeks. Going over my nose to be sunburnt and sun-kissed. Now I'm taking the Ofra and Samantha March highlighter in Start Inspired. And I'm just going to tap into all of them. Over the brow, going down my nose, cupid bow, chin. I think I'm just going to keep the eyes like this. And I'm going to go into mascara. I got a sample for the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara that I'm going to try today. Let me show the wand real quick. That's what the wand looks like. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes. Alright, now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And I'm going to put that on my lips. Oh, I love the way these smell. Smell like cherry Kool-Aid. I'm going to use the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last Mango Coconut Scented Setting Spray. I'm going to spray my face to set it. Alright, well this is the final look using the Natasha Denona Chromium Liquid Eyeshadow in Ultraviolet is the one that I use. Ultraviolet. I said ultraviolet. I'm super excited about them. I think they worked out really good, or it worked out really good. I think using the powder shadow to kind of set up the look turned out really good and made it look kind of cohesive instead of just having the shadow straight on my eye. So I really love my look. I'm excited about how it turned out. I hope you like it too. A little bit about these before I get off here. They're $28 for 0.08 fluid ounces and 2.5 milliliters. So there's not a ton in here, but you're not going to use a whole lot either. And I think the fact that they're the first, or she says they're the first eye safe multi-chromes, I think I really wanted to try them out, but I think they look really pretty. The only thing is if how much I'm gonna reach for them. That's the only thing that I worry about. That's something you might want to think about, is how much are you gonna reach for it if you get it. I love stuff like this, so I'll probably reach for it decently well. Like, I just love the way that it looks on the eye. It doesn't look as purple. It looks more pink and green and gold. But it's they're trichromes or multichromes, and I love them. I think they're super cool. I know that a lot of indie brands have their multichromes, but you know, this is the first mainstream brand and supposedly the first eye safe, so I don't know. I would figure that the ones that the indie brands use are eye safe too, but I'm not sure. But I really enjoyed playing with them today. If you like the look, like the video, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I think that's going to be all for me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.